let's go ahead and unbox this turbo and show you guys what's inside. Cut away from yourself, not towards yourself. In the packaging, Max P and Rod does provide the gaskets for the discharge and the inlet flange, as well as the oil feed and oil return. This right here is the Max P and Rod GT3582R Street Performance Turbo. And the Street Performance Turbo is a little bit different than their Street Basic or Street Standard. And the reason for that is because this one has the billet wheel on it, while the other one has the cast. And this should spin a lot more efficiently. Check it out. Ooh boy, look at that fanciness inside of that. This thing is also a little more resistant to heat. So that means it probably will work a little more efficiently and not get like overcooked or something like that. And I want to say this turbo does have water lines too, if you guys want to run water lines on your turbo to help it cool down much more efficiently as well too. If you look, we have the feed, the oil, the return, and the I guess the return for the coolant feed as well too. This is a 4-bolt design, 3-inch outlet, and I want to say this is a 82 or 60. What is this? This looks like an 82 back housing, I want to say. It's pretty big. It's pretty big.